Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can block or turn off pop-ups as well as redirects in the Google Chrome web browser in 2025. So let us dive into this. Navigate to your Google Chrome web browser, be it on your PC or on your laptop. And for this method, guys, you will need to access your browser settings. By doing the following, guys, click into these three dots in the top right, click into settings, and inside your browser settings, click into privacy and security here to the left, and from there navigate to your site settings here. Next, browse through that list, through that menu, expand additional permissions if necessary, and after that at the bottom here, at the bottom of that menu, you will see the content section. And there, guys, at the bottom of that list, you will see pop-ups and redirects. So click into it, and after that, simply set a default behavior. And in this case here, guys, you may block these pop-ups and redirects automatically and entirely by selecting don't allow sites to send pop-ups and redirects. That's basically it, guys. Of course, you can always add exceptions to that rule. For example, keep that default behavior and give specific websites the permission to send you these pop-ups and redirects. As you can see, I have done that for Google Docs, for instance, but you can remove these exceptional permissions by clicking into these three dots and remove that permission from that website, or add a new website to that permission list by clicking into add here and by adding the URL address there. And that's basically it, guys. That's how you do it. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some value from it, and we'll catch you later.